Oh yeah, this room looks way brighter. So today I'm gonna be cleaning and decluttering and also kind of decorating my closet. I do plan to do a closet tour soon. I can't do a closet tour if my closet is dirty. Anyways, yeah, let's go and clean my closet. As soon as you walk in, this is how it looks like. Very messy because I have so much laundry that I haven't folded or hung up yet. So there's this, like all of this. They're all clean clothes. I just have nowhere to put them right now. Basically, I have to put all my clothes back onto up here. I used to have 6 of these floating wall shelf thingies. There was 2 like right here, but then they fell recently and created these fat old holes in my wall. To cover it, I put a mirror on top of it. The floating hanger thing right here, it actually fell too. So right now I just have this like clothing rack, and I'm gonna actually keep that there because I feel like it kind of blends in well. Over here I have more clothes, and these ones also are on these hangers, but I actually bought new clothing racks so that the clothes can be on those instead because this one was from Amazon and it's so freaking cheap. It honestly does not work very well because it can't really hold a lot of clothes properly. These are newer, so they're okay, but like I don't know if you guys can tell, but the bottom's not very even. It just, you could tell like the clothing rack is about to give up. So I bought 2 new ones to put here. I also have this rug right here, very soft, and so I'm gonna be putting this on the floor as well. Hey girly, how you feeling? Okay, I think she's mad at me. So yeah, that is the before of my closet. This entire room is literally just my closet. I have 2 bedrooms in this apartment. I've lived here for like 4 months and I feel like I haven't really gotten anywhere with this closet, so hopefully today it looks a little better. I also have some stuff to put here too, like picture frames and like a new system for my bags because currently they're in these storage bins. Let's lay out the carpet. I really want to see how the carpet looks like. I don't know if it'll fit because those boxes are right there, but let's just try. So by the way guys, this rug is actually from Amazon. It was probably like 75 bucks. It's freaking cheap as hell. Like it literally can just, you guys can see that, but I didn't care if it was really good quality because this was gonna be on top of carpet anyways. It's literally just a decor piece. Yeah, I forgot which dimension this is, but I'll link it down below. Chloe, you're in my way. This makes the closet look so much brighter. This is definitely better, right Chloe? Oh yeah, this room looks way brighter. So glad I got this rug because the natural color of this ground is so nasty. Like I really don't like this shade of whatever it is. Anyways, this looks really good. Alright, next up we're gonna install the new clothing racks I have. Hey! I hate opening this box. Hey, move! So I already have one of these things, so I know how to build it. This should be a breeze. And just like that, she's done. That literally took less than 5 minutes. I'm gonna put these clothes on here. This is so freaking cheap. Like you see that? It just like breaks apart when you move it. This clothing rack here is from IKEA. It's literally only like $17, way sturdier. So highly recommend this one. Ugh. I'm gonna build the second one. I'll be right back. I like this rack because it's actually way longer than my other one. It's probably longer by an extra like 6 inches. All right, I'm sure you guys are wondering what's actually inside this closet. So let me just show you guys. This closet actually is where I keep a lot of my jackets and like extra shoes I don't want to have displayed. I also keep my Christmas tree and Christmas tree ornaments in here. So yeah, this is just what it looks like. Nothing crazy. I literally always have this door blocked, so I never really go in here. A lot of this stuff is not very like important to me. I love that this has wheels at the bottom. So that is done there. But wow, okay. At least I have extra shoe storage down there. So this clothing rack right here, this extra one, is actually more sturdier than the one I have right here. So I'm gonna switch them out real quick. Should not take long. The one one right here, I've had this specific one since I was like in high school, so that is why this one is not that sturdy. And then this one here is only from last year. That is why this one is definitely, oh my god, heavy as fuck. Chloe, can you sleep somewhere else? Ugh. By the way I organize my clothes, it's just very confusing because like you see pink here, but they see pink over there, and it's because pink couldn't fit over there, so I had to put it over here. I guess I'll explain it more when I do my closet tour. At least we've got that and that situated. Now I've got to deal with all that. I don't want to do this. Oh shit, I did that so bad. Green dresses go up there, but my long green dresses have to go to the bottom one, which it looks like it has literally no space. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. Sorry, white dresses, you're gonna have to go somewhere else. I've literally never worn this before. It still has its tag on it. My closet is organized in ways others wouldn't understand, but like for me, it makes complete sense. I know like the colors are just everywhere, but low-key, it makes me so happy to see rainbow. It looks so confusing, but like that's like so pretty to me. So this is my first closet. I actually have another closet, right, that I actually use, but that is the closet in my master bedroom, which I'm using that as like half closet, half storage. So this is the second closet that I actually use for clothes and storage, and I usually put my jackets and sweaters here that I actually wear often. This is currently how it's organized, and I just switched it yesterday, and I prefer this more because then my sweaters are here, and then over there will just be all storage stuff. So that is this side, and then on this side I keep my jeans, and then again storage. To me, this closet is not really to be like cute and like aesthetic. It's really just for convenience. This is more like my storage area. Nice. I need some chapstick. My lips are getting so dry. So I'm gonna organize everything up there and all these clothes here. Everything, because not everything gets hung. I have like sweatpants, leggings that go in drawers, or they get folded and get put in my other closets. Ooh, arm sleeve. I was supposed to wear this to this rave, but I ended up not wearing it because I thought it looked tacky. This could be a look. Having to do laundry in general is just instant karma. Instant karma for all the clothes I have. The only place I'm organized is in my head. Let's go put these away. Did I mention I have another load of laundry right here? This is my pajama drawer with also my workout legging stuff. I'm currently organizing it. Yeah. That is very squished up in there. Why am I filming? Ooh, yeah. Y'all see how full this is? A little accessorizing moment. So as you guys know, my purses used to be here, but now I'm going to be building these little wooden crates. Still putting them there, but it'll be wooden crates instead. I honestly think these look way cuter, so I'm very excited to build them. By the way, these wooden crates are from IKEA. They were only like $13 each, something like that. This is gonna be so tedious. Ugh. I need a better screwdriver. Hello guys, welcome to another day of me cleaning my damn closet. Yesterday took me about 5 hours, and then today I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be done for another like 2 hours or so. I actually went to the store and bought a proper screwdriver because the one I was using yesterday was so tiny. So this one is what I'm going to be using to build these little boxes, and I built one already. It was way easier using a better screwdriver, and on top of that I went ahead and bought a drill. But hopefully I can do this fast because the first box took me way too long. Like, am I noob? Don't worry guys, I'm wearing shorts. Wow, way faster. Chloe, this is so fast. Never mind, I'm probably gonna be finished in like 30 minutes. Okay, by the way, Chloe looks very crusty. Her hair is so nasty. She's getting groomed literally in like 2 hours. So don't mind how she looks disgusting. Move! You're literally in my way. Yay, we're done with the boxes. Alright, let's see how these look. So I only have 3 bins and I know they're not gonna like fully cover the entire drawer. That's okay. So I'm gonna put them like sideways like this because I do want to use the top of this as like its own little display area. A candle. Okay, that doesn't look that good like that, but you guys get the vision. I'm just gonna throw in the bags. Yes. Just gonna mix match them. No specific order because I kind of want it to be rainbowy. So earlier I went to Target and got these 2 bins because I have so many swimsuits, and so I'm just gonna throw them in these and then throw them in my other closet. All the swimsuits I have. Oh my god. This is one of my favorite swimsuits. It's from Target and I absolutely love the style of it. Like you guys see the bottom? It's like ruffly. So freaking cute. And this made my boobs look so good when I wore it to this one rave. Alright guys, so now that we're kind of done with everything else, I gotta put these picture frames up. I got them all from Home Goods. Ugh. Nice. Whoa. Now I'm gonna decorate this little top piece here just a little bit, like the slightest amount, because I did not buy a lot of stuff to decorate it. So we're just gonna work with what we have. I have this little clam lamp. I'm so excited about this. Maybe I'll throw it like right there, here. Ooh, yes. I really like these ones. I never wear them, but they're so cute. Alright guys, look at that. Look at what we did. We freaking did that. It looks like this side has more space than that side, but I think it's because I put those purses there. It's still really cute. I like it. Alright guys, that was me cleaning and decluttering my closet. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see the end result, you guys have to stay tuned for my closet tour. If I show you guys how it looks like now, then the closet tour is kind of useless. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye! Mwah!